In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front engine mount in this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab, slide that off. Using a 7mm socket, loosen up the worm clamp. That's good. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Using an 8mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp. Grab the snorkel. And it slides right out. Take this bolt out right here, use a 10mm socket. Using a trim tool, pop this clamp off. Grab this hose, slide that off, just grab the airbox, pull it straight up, and slide it out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, take this screw out. Right there. There should be another one on this side. This vehicle does not have another one. Just grab the reservoir and slide it out to the side. Underneath the vehicle, to support the engine, we're gonna have to put a floor jack. With a block of wood, we're just gonna go up under the oil pan. Just be careful. It's just to support the engine. You don't have to go up too high. That's good right there. Using a trim tool, just pry underneath here. That's where the wire is attached. Set that aside. Using a 13mm socket, take this bolt out. The 3 bolts on the engine. Take those out slowly. Engine might drop a little. Take those bolts out. And the 2 bolts that go straight down, 13mm socket. Grab the mount and slide it out. Now take the mount, slide it in place, get the bolts started. If you have to raise the engine up a little bit, you can. I'm not going to tighten these down yet. Get the other bolts lined up. All right, and just adjusting the level of the engine. Just gonna snug this bolt up just to finger tight. I'll snug these 2 down. And snug these down. Now I'm going to torque these bolts to 53 foot-pounds. can take the wire, re-secure the wire down, take the reservoir, slide it over, push it down, take the bolts, get those started. One there, and I got another bolt for this vehicle. Get that one started as well. Tighten those down. And for the engine mount, just lower the floor jack and slide it out. Take the airbox, slide the airbox in place, and pull the dipstick up if you need to. Push this hose on, push the dipstick back in, push that hose in place, and get a bolt started, tighten it down. Take the snorkel, slide that over. Get that over the airbox. That's good. Yeah. Snug that down. Bolt there. Get that bolt started. And tighten that down. Snug that. And tighten that worm clamp down. Take this connector, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.